When you're the mother of a disabled child, it is much harder than people think. You really have to think logistically, how you're going to go about things. For me, when he was much smaller, I didn't have the assistance of a mobile hoist. And in those times, obviously, it was much easier because I could carry him. And it was only when he got taller and a little bit heavier, obviously, that was going to become impossible to do.
As a physio, movement is really important. We feel better when we move. William is restricted in his movement, and on land it's hard to move. He can be in pain, he can be uncomfortable. Get him in the water, it's more comfortable, it's nice and warm, he can be a bit more relaxed, so it's much easier to move, less painful, so it's more enjoyable for William.
When I originally sought a property that was going to help William, we were fortunate enough to have an old building on site that we could demolish, and so it was just, absolutely ideal to be able to have the resources and the funds to build this wonderful facility. You can imagine being restricted in a wheelchair, and on a day like today, just to be able to float around, free, without any restrictions, it must feel like heaven to him. And if it wasn't for Innova, we wouldn't be doing this. He wouldn't be going to a leisure centre because they don't have the right equipment for him. They think they are catering for the disabled, they're not.
William's got his own pool, so it's just him in the pool. It's nice and quiet, nice and relaxed. He's kind of can feel safe, he's free to move. He's kind of not got any restrictions or any dangers.
Innova have really helped us, from day one. It was a marvellous rep who came from Innova, and he broke it all down. He understood William's condition and what was the best equipment for him to use. Didn't realise that they also did the hoist and the changing bench that came with it. So to have the hoist as well was brilliant. This is like the Porsche of hoists. It's got a magnetic sensor on it, so you don't have to stand there and carry him and try to get the right angle to help him to go from room to room. It just clicks on and it goes straight through.
It's a nice smooth system, straight from the changing table into the pool, and kind of reduces the amount of transfers he needs. It just makes it easier for us as therapists and his support team to, help him in and out of the pool, and it's a lot less stressful for William.
For William, having the hydro pool on site like this, you don't have to think about getting in a vehicle. He can just do it any time of day he wants. We have lights there which make it wonderful in the winter when obviously it's dark quite early, and the bubbles, so it's wonderful to see him splashing about and enjoying the water, and it gives him a wonderful source of well-being. We can actually do this facility all together, and this does wonderful things to keep spirits up, morale up, that you can actually do things as a family in the pool. I'm so pleased that we went with Innova. That was the best thing we've ever done, I think.